Capital One Spark Classic Business Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. If you're just starting a business or want a simple credit card without an annual fee, the Capital One Spark Classic Business Card is designed for straightforward rewards. Most people get this wrong. They think low-fee cards can't offer rewards, but this card delivers unlimited cash back on every purchase. It earns 1% cash back on all purchases with no categories or caps to worry about. For instance, if your business spends $0 annually, that's in cash back directly credited to your account. Employee cards are free, which allows your team's expenses to contribute to the rewards total. Additional features include no annual fee, access to expense management tools, and fraud protection. While it does come with travel perks like higher-end cards, it's a reliable option for businesses that want a simple way to earn cash back without worrying about fees or complicated rules. In conclusion, the Capital One Spark Classic Business Card is ideal for businesses that want a no-frills, no-fee cashback solution. It's perfect for small or new businesses that want to earn steady rewards on every purchase while keeping costs low and administration simple.